So today on Harry's Home Garage, we're going to be working on my 2010 F-350. We're out here in Sooke at Don's place. We're waiting for Don and Jay to get back. We are going to be switching out the lower wind deflector on the bumper, the plastic piece, because I broke it running over a tree stump. It was already broken, but I made it worse. And then we're going to be fixing some wiring on the lights I did, because I didn't do a very good job the first time. One of them is flickering a bit, not a good connection. So we're going to take that bumper off, we're going to swap that stuff out, and we're going to see how it looks. Alright, so we're all done. I got the plastic on there. I got the thing rewired. It's dark now. The camera died a little bit earlier. But I'll show you here that it's on and looks really good. There's only 6 bolts on these bumpers. They're pretty easy to take off. There's 2 on each side on the front, 1 on each side on the back, and then the bumper just comes right off. I had to take off some cabling from the wires, but I've reattached it and it's all good to go. Nothing's loose anymore. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and we'll have a look at this and I'll show you it, and that's it. Okay, so here we go. This is the new one. Nimoy was helping the whole time. So it's all on there. There's no cracks. It looks really good. Lights are on there, wired up. I got them tucked in and zip tied. I'll show you the lights here in a second. They're bright. They're really bright. I put LEDs inside of these housings as well as added these extra LEDs, and oh my goodness, this would look a lot better if the front end of this truck was clean, but we got snow here, which never happens usually, but it's here. So anyways, let's have a look at these lights. So there we go with the LED lights. So bright, you can't even see them, they're so bright. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Let's go see the goats. Goats! Hey goats. There's Mama and her babies. Check it out. Perched up on there. Just chilling. Chill goats. What's up, goat? Did you like this video, goat? Make sure you subscribe to Harry's Home Garage.